Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another skidding tutorial, as the other one was not, it was kind of a joke. So this is how to actually skid a client. So here I've got a client base source type of thing. I just found it on Link Forum. So you can just drop a client into JDGUI and get the same thing. So first of all, you want to just run your MCP. And so use the decompile, and then go to the source folder and delete the .minecraft with the Minecraft, drag in the Minecraft from there, and then if you go to Eclipse you want to delete the client and drag this client in here. Then after that you want to open up Eclipse, which should be in here. And by the way, because the tutorial is kind of boring, I added a nice picture of the sides for everyone to look at. So you want to select your workspace within your client folder. So for me that would be Xeon client and then Eclipse. So basically you just want to copy this and put it into the workspace, or if you've done it wrong, if you go into here and then you go switch workspace, you can select just paste it in there. Okay. So we're just waiting for Eclipse to load. Now if your client has a this little question mark next to it, that means you need to replace the build path of some of the things. So if you go to build path, configure build path, and then you go to libraries, and then it will be auth-lib and realms. So yeah, if you go to here, edit, and then if we go to Xeon client and then just copy, to find it in here, just copy the auth-lib. They just have a different version. So if we paste it in here, and then we'll click this one, and then we'll go down to realms and click edit, and then copy realms, like so, paste it in. Look at RAM, so that's built the build path thing. Click apply. In this folder, in my case, there's the source folder. So this is where your client source is going to be. This is a terrible source, but oh well. And then to make sure the source you've got is kind of okay, click run, and hopefully it should load. If you've used JDGUI rather than getting the actual source file, then you may need to fix a couple of compiling errors. So if we just go to single player, this guy's thing crashes, doesn't it, in single player, and that will be a yes. So anyway, so this is your source right here, and so if it has this memetics, this is usually for Google Translate. I think Serenity was one of the first clients to do this, so it basically translates to different languages. I think Redmod also had a plugin for it. So if we go down and we'll try and find the base file, I had it open somewhere. No, it was in some weird place in this client. Oh, it was here. I'm just trying not to hide the picture of the girl, as people might start complaining. So anyway, I don't know why you put that in here, but yeah. So in this client, here is the bits you want to change. So if we proceed to load the client up again, the team add, whatever the fuck that says, is right here, created by Gabriel, whatever the fuck his name is right here. And then in chat, this is the thing that comes up before the command. So if you type .help, it would say like TA help and then the commands. So yeah, so this is basically if you want to change the name of the client. So yeah, I don't know why it really added this bit in here. This is the translating things login. But anyway, so yeah, so the modules are here. So if you want to just get out of these or or insert your own. This is where you can do it. It's a fully functioning client, although I don't actually have a I'm not going to log into a server. So yeah, so that's basically how you use get a client. So you can we'll change name. So we'll use our name before, team OVA, and then we'll put now. Who should we say it's authored by? So yeah, I'll say it, yeah, and then there we go. So if you go and save this now, like so. So once you've made all the changes you want to make to a source, or you've edited some mods or whatever, if you're slightly more advanced, rather than just changing the name, you click File here and then Export, and then you want to go to Java and a runnable jar file. Click Next. Then just select a random thing here, and in this launch configuration you want to select the client. Then so if we just name this late mod 5, and then just leave all this default, click Finish, click OK. Okay, and then again, if you've used JDGUI to get a client's source, then you may need to fix some compile errors there. So if you haven't got any Java knowledge, and recommend just using this source or some other one. Then you go to .minecraft, then we go to versions, and then we'll just create, we'll just put it in Serenity actually. So if we just rename, for the quickness of this episode, we'll just rename it Serenity B49, so we don't have to go and change everything. So if we then open Minecraft up, and then we click on Serenity B49, which is the actual client that we used, and click play, and we'll just wait a minute for the client to start. And then if you can see, it says team over 10 late mat, and then if we go just on boat, and then you click left up, then this is the client. I think it looks a bit like a THC skid, to be honest. So yeah, oh, and there's Super Cheese. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Hope this was interesting for you, and yeah, please don't skid. Goodbye.